What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. A maned wolf was spotted in a safari in Brazil. Genetic studies show that it's neither fox nor true wolf, but a distinct species.
Watch the alligator! There's an alligator right there!
What?
Oh my god.
Alligator! Oh my god.
Check out these enormous fruit bats hanging around in a plantation in Indonesia. They have large wings with a span of approximately 1.5 meters.
I don't know. How long do you want me to record for? Are you kidding me? I feel like he's gonna fly right into my face. That'd be a video.
Look, you can see all the you can see all the eyes. Look at all their eyes.
That is so funny. Oh. You can count them by how many eyes. 1, 2, 3.
In a quiet Alaskan suburb, two moose were spotted fighting each other. During the mating season, males tend to be more aggressive and fight with other males in order to impress a female to mate with.
Just going on a little stroll through the Everglades. Nothing too exciting. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a big lizard.
One excuse that's probably never been used before if you're ever late for work is to tell your boss that a random wild elephant came and sat on your car.
There's sharks coming. There's sharks. Be careful.
Are you ready?
Be careful. What? It's gonna.
One thing you never want to do is try to creep up from behind a camel, because if they feel threatened, they got something waiting for their attackers.
Get him.
Ouais, faut la rate revenir, oui. Oui. Ouais, oui, oui. Faites it.
Literally, what the f? There's just a fucking alligator. Oh my god, I'm literally dead. What the f?
That's a big cat. I know. Oh, he's gone. I know. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
A skier in Japan was lucky to be able to fend off an attack from a charging wild boar with his ski blades after falling into the deep snow.
Hey, not too close. Come on. Oh my God.
Dude, look at my cat. Are you kidding me? Skeeter, leave him alone. Hi. Oh, this is too cute. It is too cute. I wish. Oh, look at him. I'm telling you, these things are freaking aliens. Oh my. Hey, you guys, be nice.
A woman's paddleboard in Florida has ended up in the presence of a giant alligator. It wouldn't move from her, so she had to use her paddle to push it back, which the gator replies with a hiss.
What are you doing? Get away from me. Get away from me. No. Go away. Oh my God, I had to push him away with my paddle.
Obviously in reverse, I don't really have the option of trying to race away from them either. If I had an opportunity to get ahead of them, then perhaps that would be a suitable resolution to this situation.
In its native habitat of sub-Saharan Africa, the African rock python eats small mammals such as antelope, herons, and other animals. On rare occasions, rock pythons are also known to have attacked people.
Big. Python. Wow, very, very big python. Very, very big. Beautiful, beautiful, big creature.
So do you guys see this dark line right here that wraps around? That line is literally all ants. Can you believe that? The whole thing is ants. Check this out. This is how far it goes. It goes under the ground here, gets up, keeps going. Literally, look at this. They're all ants.
The Indian leopard is a leopard subspecies widely distributed on the Indian subcontinent. It's estimated that 12 to 14,000 of them are found in India.
Look at here, Mr. Bear coming my way. Oh my goodness, what am I going to do? It's a bear. It's a bear. It's a bear. What are you going to do, Mr. Bear? What are you going to do, Mr. Bear? Oh my gosh, look at here. Mr. Bear is right here. He was afraid of me. He ran right past me. He says, I don't want nothing to do with him.
In the middle of a trail at Glacier National Park in Montana, a family of hikers were met with a giant muscular mountain goat. These incredible creatures stand at about 1 meter tall, and males can weigh as much as 120 kilograms.
Bye. Bye-bye.
A homeowner shares an intimate 5-minute encounter with a friendly juvenile black bear that he finds snooping around on his porch.
Beautiful bear. You gonna go on the lawnmower? Where you going, buddy? Bear. Careful there, buddy. Yes, I'm not food. People are friends, not food. Hello. Hello. No. No, no, no. You don't try biting a person. Not food. Silly bear.
The gentle giant of the sea, the great whale shark, gets a little snack from a friendly visitor.
Gitu lu, Doi. Ano si Pote?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No, 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 no. No. No, no, no.
Counter. Go get him.
I'm sorry, I got on your blind side. I don't want to do that. That's crazy.
I want to pet him. Billy, are you getting this?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Here. He's got the whole thing.
I got something for you, Kate. Kate, simmer, simmer.
Although foxes are canines related to the domestic dog, their behaviors are more similar to that of cats. Hikers in the woods encounter a wild deer and the deer decides to get in a few licks. Deers love salt because it's considered to be an addictive compound. In this case, its source of salt comes from the sweat on the hiker's arms.
Oh! He'll get you, man.
The house cat of this family was not impressed with a curious young bobcat wandering around the house deck. The two lock eyes with a glass door between them.
These waters are clearly gator infested. But the boys want to go swimming. What?
Here's a sighting for the books. A black mamba crosses paths with a dwarf mongoose and the two arch enemies go head to head.
Jesus, look at the length of him. So there's another mongoose coming.
That is awesome.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the size of him.
Yeah.
Snip its tail again and hit it again.
Is a little guy nearby? I think I'm gonna go. I'll let you go back. How's that? You want to go back that way? I'd like to go that way. I don't want to mess with you. Okay, am I going down the hill or are you going up the hill? I guess you would prefer to go up, I hope. Okay. Oh, here comes your buddy. Comes the little guy. Okay.
If you love animals, then for your next holiday trip, this Mexican resort may be the best place for you to visit.
Planet of the Apes, dude. Planet of the Apes. Oh my god.
Smile. Oh, he's it. Don't give him.
Oh my god.
I don't know what to feed. Break a piece off for him.
Look at that thing, dude. Oh, we got all the wildlife, dude.
Break a piece off.
Oh, don't bite me.
He's not gonna bite you.
He wants that.
There you go. Oh, sweet bubba.
Your own. Hey, bear. Hey, bear.
In the early morning, a couple of men encounter a monster moose that looked to be over 2 meters tall. In the Yukon area of Canada, these monster moose are giants that you should be careful around.
He is such a little star. Yeah, they're having a good look at those paws. They're absolutely amazing. So they've got very special wrists as well, so they can actually rotate them 180 degrees.
Yeah. Oh,
they're one of the only animals in the world that can descend a tree head first.
Yeah.
Nazar.
These campers in the woods were enjoying their lunch when a black bear comes over to get a bite to eat. As the bear gets closer to the group, they start to scream and taunt it to leave.
Go! Go away, go home!
Oh my god. Holy sh.
Oh my god.
I just got.
Oh my god.
Oh. Jessica, we both saw that at the same exact time.
I'm racing.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
This is so.
As always, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.